Okay, let's take a look at finding a mean of a set of data. Now, I'm going to do it in two different methods here. First one is I'm in console mode over here, and I'm going to give it a name of where I want to put the data. Let's say I want to store it in nums. Then I do a less than, and then a subtraction of dash, and C, and then let's say I got 1, 8, 3, and 4. What's that? 11, 15, 16. Okay, let me throw one more in there. 18. There we go. And then I press enter. Now that stores it off in nums, and I could actually type in nums and press enter and see the numbers. Now, if I type mean, and then in beginning parentheses, nums, close parentheses, then that gives me my average. Okay, now that's one technique. Up here, you got a lot of different options. Under File, you see option says New Script. Problem with this is if you're trying to get some code to work, you have to keep typing it in to kind of redo it. To put it in its own little program, that's what script is. So if I do File, New Script, it'll open up this window here. And let me put the same codes there. Nums, and then C1, 8, 3, 4, 2. And I'll just type nums just so we can see it. And then I type mean nums. Now if I come up here and do a file save, and I guess that's fine where I'm saving it at. I call it mean.r. Now if I were to run this, I'm going to see something unusual. If I can remember where it's at. Okay. So if I do run all, it doesn't appear here in this. This is just our editor. It appears over here. Now make sure when you do that, you do not do the run line or selection. Because if you do that, it just does like the last line it did. So if you want to do all the lines, that's where you have to do your, let me clear console. That's where you do your edit, run all. And now I no longer have to keep typing this in. This is a program. So when this closes, like that, I can just do a file open script. Of course, got to remember the name of it. But then here's mean.r, and I can open it up and continue where I left off. This is a way you can keep a little library of examples. So as you're learning statistics, then you can go back, well, how did I do that again? And you can go out there and look.